In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived cards in Trello. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or just starting out, knowing how to manage and retrieve archived cards can be extremely useful. Sometimes cards get archived accidentally, or you might need to revisit past work. Whatever the reason, we're here to guide you through the steps to make this process easy and efficient. First, we'll begin our journey by heading over to Trello's website, which you can access by going to trello.com. Once there, it's time to log into your account. This is where you'll need your login credentials, so make sure you have that information ready. On the homepage, locate and click on the login button. If this is your first time logging in from your device or return visitor, you'll need to sign in either with the email associated with your account or through alternative sign-in methods like Google if you prefer. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello dashboard where you can view your boards. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you're new. Now what you'll do next is go to the Your Boards section. This is usually prominently displayed and contains the boards you most frequently work on. Identify and click on the board where you believe your archived card is located. The familiarity of your board setup should comfort you here. After you've selected the board, let's move on to opening the board menu. Look for an icon that's made up of 3 dots. Clicking this will reveal more options. It's Trello's way of saying, here's more. Now from the revealed options, select Archived Items. This menu is where Trello keeps all the cards that have been archived from this board. By selecting archived items, you'll be taken to the area where all archived cards and other items from the board are stored. Here you can browse through and find the card or cards you are seeking to restore. Once you've found the card you want to resurrect, look for the option that says Send to Board. By clicking on this, your card will be returned to its original list on the board, resurrecting it for your current project or review. As if it had never left, this card now awaits you on its list, ready to be utilized or revisited as needed. And there you have it, you've successfully located and restored an archived card on Trello. This simple yet effective process helps you stay organized and ensures you can always recover past work when needed. Thank you for watching, and happy Trelloing.